I'm answering the question posed by Julia, which has three parts to it. The first part asking why North America is the lowest region in terms of numbers of deaths and terrorist attacks. Um, she also asks whether or not it's responsible, the low numbers are responsible because of the war on terror. And then the final is it even worth fighting terrorism so furiously? Because terrorism will always exist. So I think that the war on terror does not decrease the amount of terrorist attacks on American soil. Um, I think that those two, you can't actually compare one to the other. I think that the war on terror, and it's generally been proven that the war on terror actually foments more unrest in the Middle East, which is where we're fighting this war on terror. Um, Secondly, I think that North America not having as many terrorist attacks as it has had, or as other places in the world, is based on the fact that we have two countries bordering us, and both of those countries are strong allies. We have two very large oceans on either side, and we're just not a part of a cluster of countries being right next to each other, like the Middle East, like Europe, like Russia and all of Eastern Europe are clustered together. And then, I mean, yeah, I do think that we should continue fighting terror. I mean, where we can, as a world superpower, assist people in other countries as long as we have the ability to accept refugees or send aid, we should, because that's the human thing to do. But I do think you pose a good question of why even fight something that's going to always be there. Um, so thanks for asking those questions.